would you like to move to the Mid-Atlantic colonies?
Mid-Atlantic colonies are known for their livestock, fishing, and farming.
Wow!
We grow grains and raise animals such as pigs and chickens.
Oh my God!
Have you ever wanted to worship whoever you chose?
Yeah!
Come to the Middle Colonies because we allow all religions.
Here in the Middle Colonies, we accept all people, whatever your race or religion. Our climate is right in the sweet spot, not too hot and not too cold. We also have lots of rivers, and the Appalachian Mountains run right through our region.
Some jobs in the Mid-Atlantic colonies are farmers and coopers. Coopers are the people who make the barrels and help load them onto the ships. Farmers, well, they farm.
We have rich soil and a long growing season. We also have low taxes.
Yeah!
I'd be so mad.
We are in a perfect spot for trading, smack dab in the middle.